morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Okay, that's great. So, dear students, in previous class, we have done properties of triangles, in which first of all we discussed in your previous knowledge, background knowledge. I will ask you some question. What is triangle? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Pranav.
Triangle is an angle in which it has three lines, three angles, three vertex, and also have three midpoints.
Very good. So, anyone else? Yes, Manish.
Triangle is a closed
Yes, the simple and straight definitions, as Manish told us. Yes.
It has three sides, three vertex.
Yes, a triangle is a closed figure. Okay, three-sided closed figure which has 1, 2, 3, three vertex, 1, 2, 3, three sides, 1, 2, and 3, three angles. Okay, a closed figure which has three sides, three vertex, and three angles. Is it clear to all?
Yes,
And,
sir.
yes, this we have done in the previous class. Similarly, what is the type of triangle? How many types of triangle is there? Yes, Shreyas.
Sir, right angle, acute angle, sir, obtuse angle.
Yes. On the basis of angle. And sit down. On the basis of sides, how many type of triangle is there, Janaki?
Equilateral, isosceles, and scale.
Yes, very good. Excellent. On the basis of side and on the basis of angle. When we see here, on the basis of angle and on the basis of side. जब हम देखते हैं कि साइड के रिलेटेड और एंगल से रिलेटेड कितने टाइप्स के ट्रायंगल्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट आता है आपको ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइड, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इन व्हिच ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. Okay, after that next is isosceles, two sides are equal. Then third is scalier, no side is equal. Similarly on the right hand side, angle on the basis of angle. The first one is acute angle in which all three angles is less than 90 degree. Now the second one is right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. As you all know that right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. This one. Then obtuse angle, the triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degree. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
So after that, we have already discussed interior angles and exterior angle also. Okay. What is the exterior angle of a triangle? Exterior angle of a triangle. Who is going to tell me what is exterior angle of the triangle? Yes, Divyansh. Okay. Who is going to tell me? Yes.
No, sir.
Yes. Anyone? Pranav. Yes.
Yes, sir. The angle which is formed outside of triangle.
Yes, the angle which is formed outside the triangle is called exterior angle. Understand? Yes, now tell me what is exterior angle of triangle?
And exterior angle of a triangle is centered by perimetry
Yes.
on one side of the triangle.
Yes, exterior angle is formed outside. Look at here, as it is given on the on your screen. This one. This is your exterior angle. Okay. We all know that all these are interior angle, which is inside the triangle. And when we talk about the exterior angle, exterior means outside, outside the figure. So this point at point A, this is B and this is C. And after that we can take it D also. Now DAB, this is your exterior angle, which is formed outside the triangle. Is it clear to all? What is exterior angle? Yes, sir. Now you can draw on your notebook also. If you want to draw, then draw. Yes. Draw the same figure and then this side is exterior angle. Draw with the help of scale and pencil. And show me the exterior angle. How many exterior angles you can draw on one triangle? That also. ड्रॉ में किसने किया अच्छे से ड्रॉ जाओ. vertex on 3 vertex we have 3 different exterior angles. Yes, very good. Okay, very good. Understand? Yes. Any doubt? Okay. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all of you how we can draw exterior angle. Okay. Now in the next slide. Now this is also very important that on one vertex we can draw 2 exterior angles. Okay. Now look at here. Same at this vertex. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
At this vertex we can take this angle 5 as exterior angle as well as we can take this 6 also as exterior angle. But this angle is not exterior angle. This one is not exterior angle. Is it clear? Similarly, when we move toward this vertex, this angle 3 and angle 4, these are also exterior angles. Look at the board, Alia. Angle 3 and angle 4 is also exterior angle. Similarly, at this point, angle 1 and angle 2, this is also exterior angle. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, mainly in one triangle there are 3 exterior angles, but at one point at one vertex we can draw 2 exterior angles. Is it clear? Whether we can take this one or we can take this. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is exterior angle property of triangle? Yes, Adarsh? No. Janvi? No. Gauri Shankar?
No, sir.
No. Sit down. So today's topic is exterior angle property of triangle. Write down exterior angle property of a triangle. This one. Write down in your notebook exterior angle property of triangle. सभी लिखेंगे नोटबुक में. जल्दी करिए. Exterior angle property of a triangle. इसमें कोई एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है जिसको हम यूज करेंगे. देखिए एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो है उसका और इंटीरियर एंगल का क्या रिलेशन है. Let's do fast. We have to finish this topic today. Okay, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Okay. है ना? फिर आपने बोला कि ओके सर डन सर. ओके हो गया सभी ने? वेरी गुड. नाउ लुक एट द बोर्ड. सभी यहाँ पर ध्यान से स्क्रीन पर देखिए. एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. दिस वन, दिस इज योर एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? This angle is exterior angle of triangle. Now, what is opposite interior angle? When we see here, this one and this one. Both these are opposite interior angle. किसके opposite है ये? Exterior angle. समझ में आया बेटा सभी को?
Yes, sir.
This is your, yes, this one angle A and angle B. This is opposite to sum of its opposite interior angle. It means जो ये एंगल आएगा बाहर वाला कितना भी होगा ये, वो इन दोनों के सम के बराबर होगा. एंगल ACD, एंगल ACD, दिस वन, दिस इज योर एंगल ACD. इट मस्ट बी इक्वल टू एंगल A, एंगल B, और वी कैन से दैट एंगल BAC, एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल CAB, CBA. बेटा इसका ये सम जो है वो इन दोनों को जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो इसके बराबर वो आना चाहिए. समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the help of one activity, with the help of one activity. Now we will find out whether these angles are equal or not. सभी ध्यान से मेरी तरफ देखेंगे. मेरे पास क्या है, एक कार्डबोर्ड का बना हुआ एक स्ट्रक्चर है, जिसमें अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो ये जो आउटसाइड वाला एंगल है इसको मैंने लिया है 120. धनुष कम हियर, होल्ड दिस, इसको अच्छे से पकड़िए. सभी को विजिबल है बेटा? ये एंगल विजिबल है, यहाँ से भी आप देखिए 120 डिग्री एंगल है आउटसाइड. दिस इज योर एक्सटीरियर एंगल. समझ में आया? जो एंगल ट्राइंगल के बाहर बनता है दैट इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. नाउ इफ यू रोटेट दिस एंड इट विल गोज, दिस इज 50 डिग्री. समझ में आया? ये इसके ऑपोजिट में इंटीरियर एंगल आ गया 50. और जब हम बात करते हैं इस एंगल की, दिस इज 70. विजिबल है ये सभी को? यस. यू कैन चेक दिस. दिस इज 70 डिग्री, दिस वन 50 डिग्री, ओके, एंड द एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज 120 डिग्री. क्लियर हो गया सभी को? नाउ इफ आई मूव दिस स्टिक फ्रॉम हियर टू दिस पॉइंट, मैंने इसको मूव किया यहाँ से इस पॉइंट. समझ में आ गया? आफ्टर दैट इफ आई रोटेट दिस, अब मैंने इसको भी रोटेट किया धीरे धीरे से, यहाँ पर जाएगा ये, एंड इसको हमने यहाँ पर अटैच कर देना. ये देखिए सर, इज इट क्लियर? जो इसके बैक में हमारा 120 डिग्री एंगल था ना बेटा, उसको जो इंटीरियर एंगल का जो सम था उसने कंप्लीटली कवर कर दिया. समझ में आया? एक बार फिर से देखिए, इसको रोटेट करेंगे जब हम, तो ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये जाएगा यहाँ से आपका ऊपर गया, देन इट विल टेक पोजीशन हियर. ये चला गया यहाँ पर, दिस इज 50 डिग्री. एंड सिमिलरली इफ वी टेक दिस फ्रॉम हियर 70 टू दिस वन, दिस इज योर 70. okay, the sum of opposite interior angles. So now we have to add this, so we will move from here to there. This is your 70, push it from here like this. Yes. Now same, if I rotate this circle, now it will come back again. It will come back here, and when you paste it here, look at this. दोनों का सम कितना आ रहा है बेटा? 70 प्लस 50 120. और जो इसके जो पीछे जो एंगल था वो ऑलरेडी क्या था हमारे पास? 120. क्या समझ में आया सभी को? Yes sir. क्लियर हो गया सभी को? Yes sir. This is called exterior angle property of triangle. Now anyone from you, कोई आप में से बच्चा इसको एक्सप्लेन करेगा आके, या कोई प्रैक्टिस करेगा यहाँ आके, तो आ जाइए जल्दी से. Any 3 students from boy side and 3 from girl side. Now look at here. Here we have few students. Now they will explain what they have understand from this activity. Okay. First of all, Pranav, yes, you can explain now.
Now we can see there are 2 angles. One is 70 degree, one is 50 degree. Both are interior opposite angles. So the exterior angle is 120 degree. So the sum of these 2 angles is 120. We will verify this. It is whether the sum of these 2 angles are 120 or not. So we will put this angle.
Very good. Slowly, slowly. Gently you can push toward right hand side. Yes. This one is 70. Now rotate this also. Then you can take the help of other student also. Just slowly, slowly move this toward downside. Yes. Put this toward here. Now you can see here.
Now yeah, you can see that these angles fit here. That means that both angles sum to 120.
Both, yes. The sum of both the angle is 120, which means if we see just below this, look at here, what we have? We have 120. And when we cover this, 70 plus 50? 120. Is it clear to all?
Yes.
Now we will explain. Yes, Janvi, come and explain. First of all, shuffle this angle here and this also toward this side. You can rotate this. Okay. Yes, like this. This one. Now you can explain.
Today we will verify that exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle
Yes.
or not. So first the opposite angle is 70 degree.
Okay.
We will take it here,
Okay.
and opposite angle is 50 degree.
Okay. 50 degree. Now what we have observed from here, what we can understand from this activity?
We observed that the sum of both interior angle is equal to 120 and the exterior angle is also 120 degree.
Okay.
The exterior angle is also 120 degree and sum of interior angle is also 120 degree.
Yes, the first one is 70 and second is
50 degree.
Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Now you can go on your seat. Yes, anyone else who want to come here and want to experience this? Yes, you can come here. Do fast, जल्दी आइए, कोई बात नहीं। जिस जिसको एक्सपीरियंस करना है कि क्या ये सच में इक्वल है या नहीं, आ जाइए। चलिए आलिया आइए, कोई बात नहीं, आइए आप भी। Now who is going to explain? Now who is going to explain? One angle is this here, and second, now I will shuffle the position from here. Okay, it will go here. Now angle is changed. In the previous, we have different angle, and in this project, we have different angle. So now it is task for you all. You have to verify whether all these are equal or not. First, we can rotate this. Yes, like this. Okay. Now we will explain. Krishan, explain.
Yes. Sir,
Beta. Here. Okay. Now listen carefully.
in this triangle we see that interior angle one is
Loudly.
60 degree and one is 55 degree. So we check that we add 60 degree but 60 degree is equal to 115 degree. As we can see, this will fix here.
Yes.
And 55 to 60 degree is equal to 100.
100 and
150
yes, you can write here also. You can write this 16, 60 plus 50 you can write here in bold letter. 60 plus 50 is equal to 100 and 50. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now anyone else who want to explain? Koi aur Gaurichandra, come here. The actually main motive of this activity that we have to experience. Okay, हमें ये experience करना है क्या ये बराबर है भी या नहीं. Yes, look at it. Now one angle is this one is 60 and 55.
Sir, so there are two angles 60 degree and 55 degree and the sum is equal to 115 degree. We have to prove that
Keep
this
silent.
is known as exterior angle property and we have to prove that the sum of these angles are 115 degree which is equal to the exterior angle.
Yes.
So,
First of all, Gaurichandra decided to shift this left hand side 60 degree angle toward right hand side. And the second one is here. Okay. Now, when you see this closely, yes.
so the sum of 55 and 60 degree is equal to 115 degree as it fits together
Yes.
equally. So it proves that the sum of opposite interior angles are equal to the exterior angle.
Yes.
So it proves the exterior angle property.
Yes, this is called exterior angle property of triangle. Now you can go and take your seat. Yes, anyone else? कोई और? सभी का हो गया? सभी को क्लियर हो गया बेटा? Okay, now there are a few questions related to this exterior angle property. So in the previous, what we have done sum of all the opposite interior angle is equal to this exterior angle. Is it clear? So the first one is for you here. One interior angle is 50 degree and second is 70 degree. Now what will be the value of this exterior angle? Find out the value of this exterior angle on your notebook so that I can tell whether you understand the concept or not. सभी अपनी नोटबुक पे जल्दी से मुझे x की वैल्यू फाइंड करके बताइए. ओके? सम बताइए.
Sir,
This is 70, 110. Okay, value of x is 110. Anyone else? Okay, Divyansh. Very good. Yes, tell me. Fast. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now find the value also. Find this x also, which is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, this one is also correct. Very good. Now the next question. Okay, सभी का हो गया, सभी ने कंप्लीट किया? Yes sir. Okay. Now next question is for you. You will come on the board and you will explain here. Who will come? Who will come here? Yes, Janvi, come here. Second question is on your screen. Okay, this one. Take this and write properly and in bold. Capital बड़ा वाला. Find out the value of x. Apply exterior angle property and find out the value of x. Is it clear? Yes. Yes. In exterior angle property, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Very good. So 65 plus 45. 110 degrees. Very good. Excellent. You can go and take your seat. Okay, the next one is, who will come on the board? Yes. Okay, next question. Here we have. Okay, we can take this one and then. Okay, now first of all, you can write exterior angle property also here. Okay, what we can understand from the topic, first we can write that and then, okay, find out the value of x. Now it's writing exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Yeah, you can write here also. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Very good. ठीक है, ऑब्जर्व भी करना है और आपने उसको सॉल्व भी करना है. ऐसा डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना कि वो कर रहा है तो हम नहीं. Okay, so he gave the name. This one is angle y and this one is z, and just above the angle that is given angle x. So angle x is equal to angle y plus angle z. Very good. Angle x is equal to.
तो यहाँ पे मैं देखो
देख लीजिए सभी.
हम इसको ले लेते हैं 30 डिग्री वाई की तरफ लेते हैं और 60 को जेड लेते हैं. तो
Okay.
एंगल जो एक्स है, एंगल एक्स उसका एंगल है द सम ऑफ टू इंटीरियर एंगल्स. व्हेन वी ऐड एंगल वाई दैट इज दिस एंड एंगल जेड, एंगल एक्स इज इक्वल टू एंगल 30 प्लस 60, एंगल एक्स इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री.
Yes.
तो एंगल एक्स इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री.
Is it clear to all? So by this activity, this is called exterior angle property. You can take your seat. Very good. By this property, we can find out easily. We can find out the value of x. If any x is given to you, so we can just excellent. So this was done by Shrestha. Very good. So here, now come on the next questions. There are few more questions. These are for your homework. Okay. So first of all, note down the question for your homework notebook. And in the homework notebook, you have to first of all, आप सभी क्या करेंगे? Exterior angle property write down करेंगे. And then we have to find out the value of x. Same here also. Here we have to find out this x, and x. all the x is given on the exterior angle, so anterior angle is also given. Now we have to find out what is the value of x. So note down fast, note down your homework. Yes, sir. So first, you can draw the figure and find the value of x. Okay, very good, Divyansh. Excellent. Shreyas. Okay, draw this completely. Find the value of x. Yes, everyone. सभी ने होमवर्क नोट डाउन किया? Yes. Very good. So tomorrow we have to finish all these questions in your homework notebook. And सभी कल homework notebook में x की value find करके लेके आएंगे. Now recapitulate. We will recapitulate what we have discussed in this period today. First of all, in previous knowledge, we have done triangle and its property. Okay, that was oral test for you. Then after that, what we have done, we move toward here this exterior angle property of triangle. The exterior angle property which tells that the exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. ये जो exterior angle है बाहर का, this one, that is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to sum of these two angles. Okay, so this we have understand with the help of this activity. Okay, hope you all understand this activity. And if anyone, अगर कोई आप में से फिर से इसको experience करना चाहता है, then tomorrow we will continue the same also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And after that, in the end, in assessment, we have discussed some question related to exterior angle property of triangle. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
सभी को समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही है, बाकी हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. So thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.